or is conducted with three actions which will be closed on priority basis. So we'll keep the same thing, and this will be updated into the action tracking register for our record.
Okay. And Chairman, please, that will be a recommendation on the contractor. All previous closeout observations or findings to be closed out by EPC on a priority basis.
I think it can take a recommendation, ensure. Good point. I think this is very important because now we are closing the project after commissioning, so we must ensure that all the recommendations are closed, open actions, public recommendations. Yeah. Okay, review the PHSER actions. So that is the same point as we have discussed above. So we'll keep the same thing. Determine if there have been any significant change. So answer is there was no significant change of the project scope since engineering. Identify any HSE concerns associated with changes. So since there are no change, no impact on HSE, but there was one recommendation related to the PHSER 4. This will be and must be addressed accordingly outside this workshop. Confirm that HSE studies have been updated. Yeah. So if you feel that there was no change, so there is no HSE study update is required because there is no change and it is known to us. We will go for the objective number next. We'll highlight here. Verify that project operations site are fully implemented